This is a Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News Update for Tuesday, March 7th. I'm Sky Kid. The Maury boys soccer team won against Bayside 3-1. Tucker Stanford scored 2 goals and Dylan Bardoon had 2 assists. Tomorrow, the girls soccer and JV baseball teams will both play at First Colonial High School, both at 4 p.m. Now here's Nene Regoy in the control room with details about today's upcoming events.
3 clubs will be meeting after school today. Tri-M will meet in the chorus room. Friendship Club meets in room 407. Foreign Language Honor Society meets in your language classroom. Back to you, Sky.
Thanks, Manene. Just a reminder, the talent show tryouts will be taking place in the auditorium after school on March 13th and 15th. Now here's what's happening at Maury. That's a wrap for this broadcast of Commodore News. I'm Sky Kid. Have a great day.
This has been a Commodore News Update.